Hello, everyone. This is Xenia Roy. Welcome to Hey Learning Fun. Today, we will practice 10 very easy English words. This lesson is for A1 level. Please listen carefully. Then, repeat after me. We repeat again and again because listening many times helps you speak clearly and confidently. Let's begin. 1. A. Indefinite article. Listen. A. Repeat after me. A. Again. A. We repeat because repetition trains your pronunciation. Sentence. Listen. This is a book. Repeat after me. This is a book. Again. This is a book. 2. An. Indefinite article. Listen. An. Repeat after me. An. Again. An. Again, repetition helps your mouth learn English sounds. Sentence. Listen. This is an apple. Repeat after me. This is an apple. Again. This is an apple. 3. About. Listen. About. Repeat after me. About. Again. About. Sentence. Listen. I am talking about my job. Repeat after me. I am talking about my job. Again. I am talking about my job. Say it again. Confidence comes from repetition. 4. Above. Listen. Above. Repeat after me. Above. Again. Above. Sentence. Listen. The clock is above the door. Repeat after me. The clock is above the door. Again. The clock is above the door. 5. Across. Listen. Across. Repeat after me. Across. Again. Across. Sentence. Listen. The school is across the road. Repeat after me. The school is across the road. Again. The school is across the road. 6. Action. Listen. Action. Repeat after me. Action. Again. Action. Sentence. Listen. This movie has a lot of action. Repeat after me. This movie has a lot of action. Again. This movie has a lot of action. 7. Activity. Listen. Activity. Repeat after me. Activity. Again. Activity. Sentence. Listen. Running is my favorite activity. Repeat after me. Running is my favorite activity. Again. Running is my favorite activity. 8. Actor. Listen. Actor. Repeat after me. Actor. Again. Actor. Sentence. Listen. He is a famous actor. Repeat after me. He is a famous actor. Again. He is a famous actor. 9. Actress. Listen. Actress. Repeat after me. Actress. Again. Actress. Sentence. Listen. She is a famous actress. Repeat after me. She is a famous actress. Again. She is a famous actress. Listen. Add. Repeat after me. Add. Again. Add. Sentence. Listen. Please add some sugar. Repeat after me. Please add some sugar. Again. Please add some sugar. Great job. Remember, if you listen and repeat every day, English will feel easy and natural. Listen to this video again. Repeat again and speak with confidence. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.